Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Premiere Pro adjustment layers for consistent color grading, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro. Import your video clips into the project panel. Drag your clips into the timeline. Locate the new item button at the bottom of the project panel. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Select Adjustment Layer from the options. Make sure the resolution matches your project settings and click OK. Drag the newly created adjustment layer onto the timeline above your video clips. Stretch the adjustment layer to cover the length of your clips. With the adjustment layer selected, navigate to the Effects panel. Search for the Lumetri Color effect and drag it onto the adjustment layer. Open the Effect Controls panel to access Lumetri Color settings. Adjust the basic correction settings according to your desired look. You can modify the creative, curves, and color wheel sections for more refined color grading. To ensure consistent color grading, preview your adjustments in the Program Monitor. Make any necessary changes to color, contrast, and exposure. If using multiple adjustment layers, repeat the above steps for each layer. Once satisfied with the color grading, move on to your next editing tasks. Your adjustment layer will now apply consistent color grading across all clips underneath it. Remember to save your project regularly. This method will enhance your workflow efficiency and maintain visual coherence throughout your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.